In today's video, I'm going to teach you animated rotating backgrounds in Canva. By the end, you'll have a smooth rotating background effect that makes your video look dynamic and polished, all using Canva's built-in tools. Start by opening a video template in Canva. Choose a size that matches where your video will live. Widescreen is great for most platforms. This gives you a timeline and a canvas ready for motion. Next, head to the Uploads tab on the left. If your image isn't there yet, upload it, then click to insert it onto the canvas. Resize the image so it fills the background. Drag the corner handles to scale up and reposition it until your composition feels balanced. Now, click Elements on the left sidebar. In the search bar, type Circle Frame and choose a simple circular frame. Insert that frame onto your page and position it roughly where you want your focal point to be. Click your image in the Uploads panel to highlight it, then drag it over the circle frame until it snaps into place. Double-click the frame to adjust how the image sits inside. Scale and move it so the subject is centered and feels intentional against the background. Resize and align the frame with your background for a cohesive look. Then click Done to confirm the crop. Right-click the page and duplicate it. This gives you two nearly identical pages to create motion between. Go back to the first page and enlarge the background image a bit so it's slightly more zoomed in than the version on the second page. Then click the image inside the circle frame and enlarge it too, keeping the framing consistent. Use the corner handles to fine-tune the size and balance across both pages. Now rotate the circle frame on the first page with the rotate handle. A slight angle works well. You'll complement this with the second page so the movement feels continuous. Between the two pages, click Add Transition and choose Match and Move. This transition smoothly tracks elements from one page to the next based on their position, size, and rotation. Adjust the duration to control how fast the rotation feels. Shorter equals snappier, longer equals smoother and calmer. Preview your animation to check the flow. Watch for any jumps and tweak the size, angle, or duration until the rotation feels seamless. That's it. Your animated rotating background is ready. This simple two-page match and move technique creates a professional motion effect with just a few thoughtful adjustments.